In this video, I'll cover two methods to clean your eyeglasses. Here is an easy, quick, and effective way to clean your eyeglasses from dirt, oil, and smudges. Simply let warm water to run over each side of the lenses just for a few seconds. Then, wipe off the water using a lint-free cloth. This method works for me most of the time. However, on rare occasions, eyeglass or the sunglasses might be just too dirty with oil and dust. In that case, add a drop of dishwashing liquid on each lens and rub it thoroughly on each side. Then, let running warm water to wash away the dishwashing liquid. Wipe off the water using a lint-free cloth and you're done.